Good morning. Get real, physics. Video 7 of 12, the spinning cloud. First of all, what do you suppose the cloud around the nucleus is composed of? Well, like I've shown you in video 1, space is not a vacuum, but full of electrons with varying degrees of speed, rotation, and energy levels. Some at the speed of light, others approaching near zero, and a multitude of ones somewhere in between. The cloud is composed of these electrons with minimal energy levels and inertia. So if the angular velocity, the spin of the nucleus, is in the order of 9.55 to the 21st power revolutions per second, what effect does this high-speed rotation of the nucleus have on this surrounding cloud? Well, it doesn't take a genius to see that it would cause the cloud to rotate also at extreme speeds. And the beauty of what happens in this rotating cloud sets the stage for the understanding of all the forces in the universe. It's true. Here goes. As the cloud's rotation speeds up and reaches its maximum angular velocity, a supersymmetric wave pattern is established. And in this pattern, because the nucleus is not a perfect sphere but has irregular outer surface, as shown in video 5, destructive interference waves create null voids in this supersymmetric cloud. These null voids are what today's physicists call the electron shells. But in actuality, electrons have been captured in these null voids and then are carried around the nucleus at extreme speeds in the voids. The electrons in these null voids are just a byproduct of the supersymmetric spinning cloud. They are not negative, and they play no role in the so-called covalent bond or the neutralization of the so-called proton. And if the atom is excited to a different energy level, the existing supersymmetric cloud formation is destroyed and the captured electrons are sent flying at the speed of light. Then a new supersymmetric cloud with new null voids are formed shortly thereafter. This is the reason for the unknown time delay in today's physics. This understanding is a major hidden variable in theoretical physics that Einstein and others never knew. But the second hidden variable in this supersymmetric cloud supersedes the first by 100-fold. For at the top and bottom of these spinning clouds are what I call directional flow torque vortices, or DFTV for short. These DFTVs are pretty much identical to the jet extendings top and bottom of a quasar or the bottom of a hurricane. But because of the extreme angular velocity, the spin of the nucleus, these vortices create tremendous forces. The direction of the flow of these torque vortices are the physics of the forces in all of nature. And the direction of these flows are what are called in today's time positive and negative electricity, north and south of a magnet. There are no monopoles and or singularities, and they will never be found. The top vortices are just the extension of the bottom vortices, like a coil spring. One does not exist without the other. They are one and the same together. In video 8 and 9, I will show you these directional flow torque vortices are the forces and why the elements join together to form molecules and how the first atom formed and what happened thereafter. And I will introduce you to a new term, MEM, multi-electron mass.